How to get new emojis on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get new emojis on WhatsApp. It's super simple, so let's get started. Now, in order to get new emojis on WhatsApp, you need to ensure that your WhatsApp is updated. And in order to update the WhatsApp, you need to simply go to your App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you need to simply tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. From here, you need to scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Once you find WhatsApp, you need to simply tap on it, and here you can see the update button. You need to simply go ahead and tap on it to update the WhatsApp. Once you have updated the app, you need to simply go ahead and tap on open in order to open it. Now that you have updated the app, if there are new emojis, you will see them in the emojis section over here. And that's it. You now know how to get new emojis on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.